Hello everybody, this is week 2 for Advanced Scalable Data Infrastructures, and this week we basically set up our CRUD for our application, get all the create, edit, delete functions running, as well as getting the AJAX, which will be in my next video. For this week, what went better than expected? Actually, saving to local storage went better, as in I took this class last month and I had that pretty down. Retrieving from local storage didn't go as well as I planned. Took me a little bit longer than expected. After several attempts and listening to the podcast a couple times, I've managed to kind of combine what the example that they were talking about in the podcast with my application, and a combination of both of them basically got everything working right. I did, however, have problems inserting the save data to edit it. The only two, everything worked fine except for the selectors, basically the drop down menu and the slider. I couldn't get those two to load. And basically from previous courses, of course, visual frameworks helped out a lot with all the JavaScript that you learned there. All the HTML that we've been learning over the last few months helped out, as well as taking this class last month again. I also refactored my code a little bit. Once I was done, I just kind of organized it better so that way I could read it easier as I'm going back and editing it and adding the Ajax data calls. Um, a task in my life that I have optimized, I would have to say studying, doing my homework, typing in the code while taking care of my daughter. Have this little front-facing backpack thing, and I managed to be able to type and take care of her at the same time, and it keeps her entertained for the most part. I would have to say I optimize on that. Trying to juggle everything at once is a little tricky. Um, I'm going to leave this video short because I'm actually going to go ahead and create my other video for the second project due this week. It's a little odd that nobody else has turned in a project, but better safe than sorry. Alright, see you guys next week.